Welcome to Videography Etiquette 101, and this is Lesson 3. You are a vendor, not a guest. I'm your host, TG Gainey, professional videographer. Now, the importance of this video is to let you know the difference between what a vendor is and what a guest is. And that's very important to know as a professional videographer. But before we get into the lesson, I want you to pay attention to this short vignette. Watch this.
Yeah, oh, hey, man, you're doing a good job, man. You're working your ass off. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, you earned this, man. Come hit this. Pound of Jesus out of this. Wait. I don't know, man. I should. Oh, you earned it, man. Come on. Open the door. Are you sure? Cannonball. All right, man. My man. Yeah.
Woo! Camera man! You want to dance? Let's go!
No, it's cool. I'll run you dance.
You know you want to. Woo!
I'll take you dancing. Come on, man.
Wow, now what you just saw may look innocent to you, right? A videographer having fun on the job, drinking a beer with the guests, dancing with the ladies. Looks innocent, no harm done, right? Wrong, dead wrong. The guests may not have an issue with it, in fact they may encourage it. However, the client who hired you or the event planner may have a problem with it. This is a clear example of the difference between a vendor and a guest. I've heard horror stories from clients and many guests, plus event planners in regards to videographers dancing or drinking on the job. Some clients may not address it, nor may not even care. However, there's always someone watching who may have a problem with that kind of behavior. It's always better to be safe than sorry and not risk your professional reputation or future business opportunities. You have to remember this. You're a vendor, not a guest. Now, let's go through some things, all right? You're filming all kinds of events. Now, you could be filming birthday parties, wedding receptions, and they have a DJ or a live band, and the music is bumping. You feel like you want to just get up and jam. The crowd is going nuts. You hear a jam that you haven't heard in a long time. You feel like getting up, getting down, getting funky, and getting loose.
Get up, get down, get funky, get loose.
Maintain your professionalism. Don't get up there and just start dancing. Don't do that. Now, just like you saw in the vignette, you're gonna have guests who are trying to dance with you. And it happens. However, the thing you have to do, and I'll say it again, maintain your professionalism. Like Nancy Reagan says,
just say no.
If guests are gonna come up to you, wanting you to dance, trying to pull you onto the dance floor and trying to egg you on, you'll appreciate it, but no, you can't do that. Remember, you're on the job. Just say no. This applies to you female videographers as well, so I think y'all need to pay attention. Whenever you have guests come up to you, wanting you to dance with them, politely turn them down. Just say no. Maintain your professionalism. Remember, you're on the job. They can dance as the guests, but you are the vendor. Can't partake in that. I know the bar is constantly pouring liquor, pouring drinks all throughout the night and everything, and that's cool. It's getting everybody loose. Everybody wants to open up, break free, have a good time, right? Now you're gonna have guests trying to offer you some drinks. You appreciate it, but remember, again, you're on the job. Can't do that. You can't do that. Alcohol is off limits to you. Just say no, because you gotta remember, you are a vendor, not a guest. Let's talk about the food. A lot of food at these events that you film at looks so good, especially during cocktail hour. Everything is all set up. You got so much food just laid out. Now I have a story for you. Years ago when I first started out, it was a wedding reception, and it was cocktail hour. It was actually one of my first ones. I haven't eaten all day, mind you. I was hungry, starving like Marvin. Anyways, as I'm filming everybody stuffing food in their mouth during the cocktail hour, I decided to go off on the side and grab me a little plate, and I'm just stuffing my plate with all kinds of hors d'oeuvres, little buffalo wings, the little crab cakes, the lobster rolls, the egg rolls, the caviar, the Swedish meatballs, the sliders, you name it. I was just shoving all that in my mouth. thinking that nobody is going to notice. But I was hungry. But that's not right. I wouldn't do that today, and it's highly suggested that you don't, because you gotta remember, the food is not for you. That's for the guest. Now, when the client gives you permission and they give you the okay to partake in the delectable delights, that's cool. Don't be so engrossed in feeding your face that you just forget what's going on around you, because you never know what will jump off. You don't want to miss some valuable shots. These are pieces that you'll never have an opportunity to capture again. Like grandmom twerking on the dance floor, or Uncle Joe or Uncle James trying to dance like James Brown, or trying to dance like Michael Jackson. Those are timeless events that you cannot miss out on. Again, you got the food there, that's cool. However, when something jumps off, that camera has to be on you and you gotta be ready. If the client or event planner says that you can eat, however, you're so busy that you don't have enough time to sit down and eat, well, guess what? Either bring some Tupperware with you, or the venue that you're filming at may have some platters. Prepare your food and take it home. You'll have plenty of time to enjoy your food afterwards, but remember, you're still on the job. You're gonna get fed, all right? I wouldn't worry about that. So you gotta remember, you are a vendor, not a guest. Can't do the same things that the guests do as a vendor. Remember that. And that's gonna do it for lesson 3 of Videography Etiquette 101. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and please share. We highly encourage it, all right? So until next time, God willing, I'm TG Gainey. Happy shooting. I'll see you next time. Videography Etiquette 101. Peace. Now, there's the event about to start. I gotta get to work.